Today on Ridge Roamer, part 2 in the series of building a trailer for my Honda Monkey. The next thing I did on the hitch itself was to add a couple of corner brackets here. They're bolted, so that will allow me to open this up as I need to stretch it onto the frame. And then once it's mounted on, the bolts will go through. Should be able to just remove one bolt to get that to open up a little bit. But we've got nice corner brace here that attaches underneath, and additional pieces of angle iron makes it extremely stiff. Then clean this up a little bit, so that should be good to go. Just need to get it cleaned up and painted to match the Monkey. And then we're going to work on the trailer, which I got pressure washed, but now it's time to do a little bit of cleaning, get that surface rust off. So we're going to get the flap wheel out and go to work on it, getting it cleaned up, prepped, ready for paint as well. Now we'll go ahead and tape up the axles and lights and hit it with a little bit of primer. Now what we went with for paint is actually Cub Cadet Yellow. So it's readily available. It's pretty close to the Honda Monkey Yellow, at least close enough for this project. So it's tractor paint, so it's durable. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot the trailer frame with this. Well, here we have it. I have finished painting, cleaning, painting the frame of the trailer, painted the hitch, painted the wheel of the trailer so everything matches. Got it not finished, but definitely cleaned up and matching. So now we've got the capability with the eye bolts to tie stuff down on the trailer. Everything seems solid with the hitch. It's on there well. I don't anticipate any problems. But next thing is going to be go take it for an actual ride and see how it does. So there you've got the completed trailer. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'm going to take this out. We'll hit the road, get some different views, and see how it does actually pulling. So thank you for joining me again on the next installment here of the Honda Monkey trailer, also known as the Monkey Tail, and we'll keep the project rolling.